The Abidjan-Lagos Corridor Highway is one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in West Africa. The proposed 1,080-km 6-lane motorway will connect 5 key ECOWAS countries: Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Togo, Benin, and Nigeria. Once completed, this project promises to transform regional trade, enhance economic integration, and generate socio and economic activities across the West African sub-region. Supported by the African Development Bank and the European Union, this highway is expected to be a game changer for regional connectivity. The project, first initiated in 2013, is a crucial part of the greater Dakar-Lagos Corridor, a flagship priority development program of ECOWAS. With a budget of $15 billion, the highway will connect some of West Africa's largest cities, Abidjan, Accra, Lomé, Cotonou, and Lagos, while serving major seaports that are vital for both coastal and landlocked countries such as Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger. Recently, ECOWAS officially approved the design phase of the project, marking a significant milestone in its development. Construction is expected to commence as soon as procurement process has been dealt with. The goal is to complete the 1,080-km highway along with 8 border posts by the late 2020s. The Abidjan-Lagos Highway is designed to foster closer economic ties between the member states, creating a seamless transportation network that facilitates free movement of goods, services, and people. By integrating the economies of the region, the project aims to increase intra-regional trade and reduce the high transaction costs currently faced by businesses. The corridor is expected to increase trade volumes along the route, which already accounts for 75% of the commercial activity in the ECOWAS region. The connection of the major ports and 2 railway lines along the corridor will enable better access to international markets. Investors are expected to be drawn to the region due to the improved infrastructure, spurring the development of industrial clusters, particularly in agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. The highway is projected to generate a wide range of social and economic benefits for the roughly 40 million people who live along the corridor. It will create employment opportunities both during the construction phase and after completion, particularly in sectors like logistics, transport, and hospitality. By facilitating trade and industrial production, the project will help reduce poverty and social inequalities in the region. With the efficient transportation systems in place, businesses across the West Africa will have access to faster, cheaper, and more reliable transport networks. The reduction in transit times and costs will improve competitiveness across multiple industries, making West Africa a more attractive destination for investment. While the Abidjan-Lagos Corridor presents significant opportunities for growth, several challenges must be addressed for its success. Although the African Development Bank has committed substantial funding, additional financial resources may be required for the construction and ongoing maintenance of the highway. With 5 countries involved, harmonizing policies and managing cross-border trade can be complex. ECOWAS will need to ensure close coordination to meet shared goals. Like any major infrastructure project, the highway will need to carefully manage its environmental impact. Comprehensive studies are underway to ensure that sustainable practices are implemented. This project is expected to act as a catalyst for broader West African economic integration, particularly through its alignment with other highway projects that link countries such as Mauritania, Senegal, Guinea, Sierra Leone, and Mali. By expanding transport networks, the region will be better equipped to tap into global markets and develop a more resilient economy. The Abidjan-Lagos Highway also complements ECOWAS' larger strategic framework, which prioritizes infrastructure development as a means to foster a competitive business environment. Regional economic growth, employment generation, and poverty alleviation are direct benefits expected to materialize in the years following the highway's completion. The Abidjan-Lagos Highway is more than just a road. It is a pathway to the future of West Africa's regional integration. By connecting some of the most dynamic economies in the region, the highway will open up new opportunities for trade, investment, and economic development. As the project progresses, it will be crucial for stakeholders, including ECOWAS member states, the private sector, and international financial institutions, to maintain a collaborative approach to ensure the successful completion of this transformative initiative.